Everything we eat, wear, or use at home has at some point been hauled by a truck. From the food on our tables to the clothes on our backs, nearly every product touches a truck. That's how America moves and how our economy runs. Since the Industrial Revolution, freight has fueled progress, first by railroads and then by trucks connecting manufacturers, distributors, and consumers. Without trucks, America as we know it wouldn't exist. That's why the American Truck Historical Society was founded in 1971 to preserve the history of trucks, trucking, and the pioneers who built the industry. With more than 20,000 members across the US, Canada, and Australia, ATHS maintains an unmatched archive of photographs, documents, and technical manuals from major truck manufacturers. We're not a truck museum. We're a living research library. Whether you're restoring a classic pickup or just exploring the history of trucking, we have the resources. And now, through our digital library at aths.org, this history is more accessible than ever. Thousands of photographs, films, and manuals are available online, with more being added all the time. Membership also includes our award-winning magazine, Wheels of Time, one of the main reasons so many enthusiasts join. Every other month, members receive stories, photographs, and features celebrating antique trucks, trucking history, and its pioneers. Digital issues are also available online. Members look forward to Showtime, a special collector's magazine that highlights trucks and memories from the annual Convention and Truck Show. Each year, our National Convention and Truck Show brings thousands of trucks and enthusiasts. It's more than an event. It's a reunion. Come for the trucks, stay for the people. And in 2021, ATHS launched the American Trucking and Industry Leader Hall of Fame. Every October, we honor the pioneers and leaders who keep America moving, ensuring their stories are remembered for generations to come. ATHS is proud to be the keeper of trucking history, but preserving this legacy depends on new generations joining us. Find out how you can get involved at aths.org.